Hello guys, you use smartphone Samsung Galaxy A03. Look, completation. In completation we have adapter for charging and micro USB cable. Okay. Now talk about device. We have plastic body, double camera on the back side and LED. On the front side display 6.7 inch, on this side power key, volume keys, on this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Downside micro USB port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. PLS display we have HD resolution, open Geekbench 5 and talk about system information. We have Unisoc spread room CPU, octa-core processor, Mali G57, resolution display PPA. Okay, look onto the benchmark results. Okay, and open the Mali game Minecraft. Look how this game works on the device. Create world. Okay, game works good on the medium graphic level. Game works perfect. Okay, close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.